If you want to generate subtitle or captions for your video, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll show you one AI-based software using which you will be able to generate subtitle or captions for your videos. If you follow my mouse, I'm in Google homepage, and if I type Descript, and then I'll be getting these options, and then if I click on the first option, then Descript website will open. Now you can see there are multiple different options here. Now for the creation of your ID, you can click on sign up, and once you click on sign up, it will give you multiple different options. You can create your credential using email ID, password, first name, last name. So another option is sign in with Google. Once you click on that, you can choose any of your Google ID, and from there you can log in. So if I select one of my ID, I already have an account created. Once I click on that, it will take me to the home page of this particular software. Now you can see there is a prominent pop-up here to upgrade. Now currently let's talk about all the options available, and then we can talk about the upgrade. So if I close it, you can see I'm already using this tool to generate some of the subtitle or captions for my YouTube videos. So now let me try to generate subtitle for one of my old videos. So for that, what I need to do, you can see there is one option that is new. Once I click on new, there is one option that is video project. I'll click on that. Then you will be landed in this interface. You can see it's showing me the 31 minutes of transcription remaining. With the free plan, it gives you 60 minutes of subtitle generation per month. I have already generated some of the subtitles using this particular free plan. That's why it's showing me only 31 minutes are remaining. So let me show you first how to generate the subtitle for my video. So if I click on add file, it will open this Windows browser, and there I already kept one file downloaded. Earlier I published one video on Google Drive hacks, and if I click on open, then this particular file will open here. You can see it's now showing all those progresses here. What it will do, it will generate transcription of that particular file, and then from there you will be able to generate your subtitle. And now you can see there is a change. Currently it's showing that I only have 22 minutes left because it considered this particular file as a 9-minute file. It's 8 minutes 52 seconds, and it rounded off, and then it's calculated that it's a 9-minute file. So currently I only have 22 minutes left. Now you can see the right part of this particular screen, it's showing all the progresses. What I'll do, I'll pause this video. It normally takes a couple of minutes time to generate everything, and from there I'll show you the next option. Now you can see it's completed all the processing, and transcript of the video is generated. Descript is one tool. Using this, you will be able to edit your videos like you edit in Word file, but that's a topic for a different video. I am in process to record that video. Now we can generate our caption. For that, there is one option in the top right part, that is publish. If I click on that, then you'll be able to see one option, export, and in the extreme right there is an option of subtitle. So once I click on that, you will be able to see few more options. There are formats. There are two formats available, SRT and VTT. I'll go ahead with SRT because that's the standard. And then there's one option that shows speakers. In case you have a video where multiple speakers are there, it can sense that and it can generate the subtitle based on that. But here in this video, I'm the only speaker, so that's why I'll keep it off. And then if I click on export, it will generate the subtitle. Let me click on export. You can see it downloaded that particular file in my downloads folder. So this is the way you will be able to generate subtitle or captions for your video. Now if I come back to a Descript site again and go to pricing, you can see with the free plan it gives you 60 minutes of subtitle generation per month. If you have additional requirement, then you can go for creator or pro plan. Using the creator plan, it will give you 10 hours of subtitle generation, and with the pro it will give you 30 hours. And they have also some additional plan in case you have some additional requirement that you only want to generate subtitle for few more hours. Some additional purchase also can be done based on your requirement. You can decide. I will add one link in the description below using which you can check this particular tool. It's an affiliate link. I may earn some small commission, but without any additional cost for you. So check out this requirement. If you have lesser than 60 minutes of requirement, you can continue with the free plan. If you have additional requirement, you can follow that link, and then you can opt for some additional paid plan. Hope this video was helpful. I recorded another video using which you will be able to clean your audio using another free software. Please check out this video to know more about it.